Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Happy New Year to you. This is our first day back and yeah, it's lovely to walk around the grounds of your estate and find so many things have been blown about by a named storm and that there are 7 additional trees that have fallen down. So yes, Happy New Year, I guess.
Well, the positives are they didn't fall on any of the buildings.
Yes.
And some of them we were taking down anyway, so
yes,
there is that.
There is that, that's very true. We are basically easing slowly into the new year, and so this morning, all we're going to do is basically have a good old tidy up in here. We've got a couple of bits and bobs that I need to do over with the stairs to make them kind of stronger, and yeah, that's going to be it. And probably for the rest of the week, weather dependent, when Merlin comes back tomorrow, we are just basically, all 3 of us, going to be outside cutting up trees and clearing up everywhere. The reason we're going to do that is that we were intending on taking down the trees that were in front of the main house. And so if we've got all those other ones to do, and we need to bring the digger across the lawn, which is going to munch it up a bit, we might as well do everything in one go. We're going to get a mulcher and just make great big piles of mulch everywhere, and then hopefully get it all done next week, and then come back in here and get on. That's the plan anyway.
Yeah, and I'm quite excited about that because it means I've got lots of lovely wood chip and mulch for the garden, so it'll all work out well in the end. Yeah,
and you and us, we will all get to see what the house looks like without a bunch of trees in front of it. So there's a thing, isn't it? That's something to look forward to. So fingers crossed, end of the week, there's going to be a nouveau visage of the main house. Should we get on?
Yep, let's do it.
lying down on the job. Well, this is very odd. We just heard a very strange noise coming from upstairs, so like something was falling down. I think it might have been the lights here. Either that or we've got ghosts. Maybe that, I don't know. I am not quite sure what that was. Ghosts!
Squirrels.
Squirrel ghosts.
Squirrel ghosts. The worst kind of ghosts.
I don't know. Anyway.
Okay. Let's get back to tidying up.
Oh, it's nice to be able to walk down the stairs onto this landing and walk onto the middle, because it was a bit sketchy. So that bit of ply I've put in has made it pucker. Can you do me a favour?
Yeah.
You can come and just hold this. I can get a bit of timber underneath it.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, perfect. You don't understand YouTube. This is quite momentous. When the batteries go out in those cameras, I can just come here and change the battery and not have to walk to the other house, and I'm going to save myself like 20 minutes a day. It's good. There we go. One charging station. That's going to be there for, crikey, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 months, something like that. So it's worth spending an hour or 2 on it.
I appreciate you.